You guys won't believe what I'm about to do. I have borrowed my sister's racket. The previous time I last touched my racket with my friends leisurely was 1 year ago. What? And I pulled my muscle for 1 month. Within these 10 years, I played once. Honestly, I'm very nervous because I know I'm gonna airball the shit out of the shuttle. I'm also really scared that I'll pull my muscle again because the previous time I couldn't lift my arm this way for 1 month, and that was not a fun thing to do. So this time I was actually invited by my in-laws. I think they told their friends that I was a badminton player once. Say hi. So cute! Because the old home, I just cherish every single moment that you have because it's never the same. Yeah, once you move on to university or wherever you go, enjoy your days so that you will remember these memories for the rest of your life. Looking at all of the CCA boards right now, it's so nostalgic. And the school literally hasn't really changed. Still looks the same. This was the cafe that I spent a lot of hours doing my CSE reports. Are you sure? Yes, I did, okay? But it looks so different now. They even have like renovated like tables and stuff. Wow. Oh my gosh! Are you gonna do the best dance? The steps are exactly the same, guys. Well, that was so much fun. Thank you TJC and the fellow students, my juniors, all of the teachers and staff for just being so welcoming. I had such a great time. I gotta say, I think out of all of my TJ memories, today was the best one. I also took a lot of photos with like my ex-teachers. I'm gonna leave them all here, but I'm just gonna do it super fast because I know they're gonna be like, you posted me on social media. I'm still gonna post them nonetheless because they have been a very big part of my life, like in TJC, and I want to thank them. So, okay, right now I'm just parked and I am heading to Sephora's press day. This is the first press day since COVID-19, and Sephora press day is the day where we actually get to see the latest launches and actually speak to the people behind the brands. We usually get bags of like goodies to share with you guys. I'm just super thankful that we can still go on with Sephora Press Day in 2021. Let me wear my shoes. My feet is hurting after wearing heels the whole day. Oh, so silly, I didn't turn off my engine. Okay, turned off. A lot of you guys were asking me where this dress is from. It's from Clara. I absolutely love it. The quality, the fit, everything is perfect. So highly recommend it. It comes in a few different colors, if I remember correctly. So it's currently lunchtime. I put on a shirt underneath my dress because it's white, and we are having lunch, and I'm very prone to dirtying my clothes, so just in case. This is what the client packed for us, which is a really good meal, I must say. Most of the time we only get like a bento or something, but we get healthy food. Right now it's a change of another outfit. We're gonna transform me into a prettier princess. We're gonna make our hair much fuller. It's a wrap! Now I gotta be a commoner again and remove all of the makeup and the accessories. I'm finally heading home and I'm very excited. I've got Pizza Hut waiting for me tonight. The shoot today did overrun by 1.5 hours, but I'm so glad that I still managed to make it home for dinner. But I mean, shoot overrunning is a super common thing. In fact, I will be shocked if it didn't overrun. Today I'm gonna try the mala pizza from Pizza Hut and I can't wait because I love mala and I love pizza. What can go wrong? This is the hair. I love it. I don't have time today because I got rushed off somewhere. So this is how it looks like. No filter. My hair feels so soft because I just did a hair treatment as well. Just in time for reunion dinner tonight. Getting my Starbucks to go. And I also ordered a wrap. Totally forgot to vlog the food, but it's all gone now. Haha. But yeah, this is our first reunion dinner. We are going back home for the second one. I'm so happy because I managed to reuse my kaki olives. They fell out 2 weeks ago. I kept all of them and I restuck them on for Chinese New Year. My lashes are also looking really nice. They're not too crazy this time. I feel like it's because my own natural lashes fell off quite a bit. And when you do eyelash extensions, you do still kind of need to have some sort of natural lashes for the fake lashes to be on. So that is why I can't actually like go all the way to the end because over at this side, my natural lashes have fallen off. It's very sad whenever like a real eyelash falls. Because you don't grow them as often as you do like with your hair. Huh? You take photo? You take photo together? Why? You take photo together? Why? Everyone. Can you say some Chinese New Year greetings? You better practice because later you 万事如意 It's 万事如意 which means 1万个事 means 10,000 things will be your according to your will 如意祝大家身体健康开开心心步步高升 This is my second year celebrating Chinese New Year with Matt's family so I'm still kind of getting used to it but this year it's definitely a lot more different but I'm just glad that we're still able to, you know, at least see some family and do some visiting. This is my makeup for today. I just curled my hair very normally, like how I usually would. Do you feel that Chinese New Year is always one of the hottest periods? The moment I stepped out of my house, my curls just died. Tour, let's go! Today I'm visiting my granddad. He couldn't come yesterday because my grandma was not feeling well. How was your 2E yesterday? I think I had kind of a good one, but I totally forgot how tiring it was. I mean, it's nice to see everyone happy and well, and it's good that I'm still able to visit them. Just using the Makeup Forever Step 1 Primer. It's been so long since I last used my La Mer Soft Fluid Longwear Foundation. This was my favorite foundation of 2019. It gives you a very nice skin-like finish, but because 2020 was mostly staying at home, you know, I kind of left this at the back of the shelf because, you know, there's no point using such an expensive foundation every day when it's gonna be rubbing off on your mask. Since it's CNY, I'm gonna busk it out again. I remember paying 130 or something at the duty free for this foundation. It was crazy exorbitant. Now this is the final look. Just gonna show you all my hair that I did. I did film my IGTV like I said, so you guys can hop over to my Instagram to check that out. Earrings today I got from Seoul. Very sad, haven't been to Korea in such a long time. For breakfast, I am gonna be having one of my Enchanted Cafe Mosanko cold brews. This one is roast chocolate with coffee. Lunchtime and we are having Springleaf. I really like their teh tarik.
I really like you.
What? Time to burn off the 5,000 love letters that I ate. But first, I'm gonna get my iPad because I'm gonna watch Penthouse while running on the treadmill. Can y'all spot where I put my cuts? Ta-da! Morning! It is 2:04 and I'm back at the Vivo office by myself because my girls are all off today. Having myself a cup of coffee. Oh my goodness, Amanda saw that I was in a meeting and she came by and dropped this on my table. Thank you. I'm feeling less lonely now because now I've got this note and I got to see Amanda for a brief second because she came to say hi when I was in a meeting. But I just want to show y'all how empty WeWork is today. Finally done with work. Right now I'm going to my friend's house for a Chinese New Year gathering. I need to get some food. I want to eat some salad because the whole day, or rather the whole week, I've just been feasting on a lot of like heaty things. I know like in Western medicine there's no such thing as heaty, but I swear I can feel the heat. And I don't know why, like they don't recognize that in Western medicine. Let me know in the comments if you grew up with the concept of heaty and whether or not you believe in it. Can you give me? Give me? Guys, see? Works with Kindle. Everyone else is a liberal, okay? We are having Coco Exotic from Follies, our favorite tea.